In this tutorial, we are going to learn about linear sketch pattern. So before starting the command, we must know that what is the meaning of pattern. So pattern is generally to create the copies of an entity more than two. Like if the term is said to be as two, suppose if I just want to make the copies of this entity more than two. Okay, we have to focus on more than two, because if we have to just make a single copy of this, so we can use another command which is copy entities. But here we are going to generate the patterns. Suppose if this is going to be as in this direction for 10 number of copies. So in that situation, we are going to use the linear sketch pattern. Now let's directly go to the command. Here is the command in the sketcher environment. Currently you can see the sketching environment is active. Here comes the icons which are highlighted here, which tells us that the user is currently in the sketch. Now I have already made the sketch, like I have drawn a rectangle here with the dimension of 80 by 120, then a circle here inside the rectangle having the diameter of 5, along with the end dimensions are 15 mm and 15 mm. Now let's start with the linear sketch pattern command. So we have to just go to the linear sketch pattern, and here comes the x-axis, and in the direction 2 here comes the y-axis. And for the axis reference, you have to come here in the graphics window where it is highlighted as x and here it is highlighted as y. So we have to focus on both the axes. Like let's do talk about the x-axis. Now first of all, here comes a pop-up like here we have to select the entities to pattern, like which entities we need to copy. So I need this one. Okay, we can also choose the multiple here, but currently for the ease of understanding, I'm going to select this circle only. Now here you can see there is number of count, so I'm going to increase the number of count to 10. Now we can count here 1. We have to start from here, from the very original. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the total number of count would be 10 in addition to the original one, because it includes the original one also. Okay, now here comes the internal spacing, like what is the spacing from center point to center point. So I need to increase or decrease this. So suppose if I am going to put it as 8 mm and this is going to increase by 12 mm. Okay, so this is how we can define the pattern in the x direction. Now let's come to the angle. Like here we have the angle. Suppose if you want to have a tilt here, so you can provide the angle also. In most of the videos on the YouTube, you will not find this option, as they ignore this option. Like they just simply give the demonstration regarding how to put the pattern in a particular axis, but they ignore this angle. So this is so important. Like I can also change the angle. Like earlier it was like horizontal, now it is 15-degree tilted, and I can increase this angle, depends on the choice. So this is just for a flexibility, like how you can change the angle along the axis. Okay, now if I just click here on this arrow, it will reverse the direction like this. Now this is all about the direction 1. Now let's do talk about the direction 2. Currently you can see this direction is in inactive state. So how to activate this? To activate this, you have to just click here and put the number of count. So the number of count here is going to be 8 and it will get activated. So you can see this is coming out. So I'm going to give the number of count as 6 like this. So count with me: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is how the pattern is going to work. Now let's come to the points, like what is the dimensions of y spacing. So here is the dimensions, like 6, and it is asking for the spacing. Like here we have 10, so I'm going to increase it to 12 like this. And later on we have the angle here, like what is the angle between the two axes. I can increase or decrease it like this, 120, whatever the angle you want. So I'm going to currently give the 90 degree. This is just for the flexibility of the option, like here you can change the angle and here you can change the angle. It depends on whether the requirement of changing the angle is there or not. But my task is to just let you know about the options in the linear sketch pattern. So this is how you can use the linear sketch pattern. I have covered with the x-axis along with the y-axis, like how you can change the value regarding the x-axis along with y-axis. And along with that, we have covered how the number of instances are going to take place here on the x-axis along with the y-axis. And we have also covered the spacing along with the entities to pattern. So this is how it gets completed. Now you can see here comes the angle, here comes the entities. So here comes the number of the pattern, like this is the number of instances for the x-axis and this number of instances is for the y-axis. And here comes the angle, like we have defined the angle for this. Now let's check some more example regarding this. So I'm going to take the rectangle again like this, and this time I'm going to make a rectangle here like this. I'm going to make two rectangles with different dimensions. Now just increase this, and now let's again go to the linear sketch pattern, and here I'm going to select these entities. So just directly jump to the entities to pattern, this one and this one. Now we have to increase the spacing in the x direction. This is going to be as 25 and the number of count is going to be 4. Okay, just keep it 5. And along the y-axis, this is going to be as 3, and this is going to be get increased like 25. Okay, 25 is less, so I'm going to give it as 50 like this. Now you can see this is how the pattern is going to work here. This is just regarding the pop-up of sketch relations, that the sketch relations are going to be very much in the graphics window. So would you like to turn off the display of sketch relations? Yes. Otherwise, it will be a very shabby look regarding these sketch relations. So this is how it is going to work. Like I have given 3 number of counts in the y direction. So this is how you can use the linear sketch pattern. I hope this command has been cleared in very detail, like how to change the angle, how to give the number of counts, how to give the spacing between them. So that is all in this video. Please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.